Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I'm trying to help somebody, and I was just about to sit down and make a video with all the other details of this. But his main concern yesterday was this is on a gray page, and he wants the background to show through of the chart. And a couple of things, I don't see how you change the page color. Number two, this is a little pet peeve of mine, but set this on 0, 0. In this particular case, it doesn't really matter that much. And I will never understand when somebody has something set to fill it in with a particular color. But I'm not a printer. That would just irritate me. So I'm going to set that. I'm going to double click on it and go right here to no fill and click yes. And I draw in hairline, so but that's beside the point. He's drawn in CMYK because he's evidently going to print this. But today's video, and I might get to the other one today too, to take the background out of this. And there's something going on. And so here we go. I'm going to draw a box. I'm going to go ahead and use yellow object, order back a page. And I'm going to take this and move it over and make a duplicate and move it back. I'm actually going to move it over here. And of course, I can't see it, so I'm going to have to put another box there. And I'm going to take away, and I'm just going to show something that I don't think is going to work. I'm going to fill that in with blue. Let's make it red and move it over. And normally, you can take this and go trim, but there's something going on with the mountain and elsewhere. So the way I would do this is to take this and left click, right click, take your banner and put it back, and then just take your virtual segment delete key. And I don't think he wants going through this part of the banner. I'm going to go ahead and put the cross country back, and then just take your smart fill tool. And because he's already got that color set, I didn't have to save it. And here it's in his document palette. And I didn't know yesterday when I was going to start on the other video, and I still might do that video, but now all you have to do is fill in this with this blue, because this represents a mountain. I didn't know if the mountains and the river were going to be a separate part. And then I'd go ahead and strongly suggest to take this and right click no outline. So there is a yellow box and showing that you can see through the banner, and the river kind of just all blends in. But really, the river is going to be the color of the shirt as the top of the mountain. So I hope that helps him. And if I get around to it later today, I'm going to try to make a video from doing this further and putting the school and the initials and everything else on it. But I think that would help him because he basically drew everything else already. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.